literally just breaking down the lights and all the tripods and putting them away and cleaning off the vanity and putting all the makeup away. Wow, we've done a lot so far. Wow, go us.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hello, beautiful friends. So it is day who even gives a fuck of quarantine, and my studio's a mess because I'm in here all day every day, but I'm too lazy to clean it. So I figured, why not clean it together? You know, if I'm gonna do anything, I feel like I should film it for you because there isn't much we're doing these days, you know? So let's just take a little quick glance of the situation. So here's my vanity. Honestly, just needs to be organized on top and then like wiped down with some Windex and stuff. Also, I've got a full garbage can and a bag of garbage that I took out of the garbage can that I never brought downstairs to the garbage. So we're gonna have a lot of bags of garbage today. If we move over here, we've got a mess on my bench, all stuff that just like, I need to find a place. No, they all have a place. I just need to put them back. Then my desk over here, kind of want to organize it a little bit better. I feel like there's just like clutter. There doesn't need to be clutter, so got to figure that out. I also kind of want to reorganize the drawers a little bit just to, like I said, organize. And then I just finished filming an IGTV video, so this right here is just in shambles. So I've got to put away all my lighting. I've got to put all this makeup away. I also made myself an iced coffee because I needed an energy boost. Did I though? Like, did I really need an energy boost? Like, we're not doing anything. Why did I don't know. The trauma is exhausting me. I also have a huge basket of laundry that still needs to be put away. It's been here for approximately a week. Also shoes that need to go in my bedroom, in my closet. They don't all have a place in there. I still need like more shoe boxes. But yeah, definitely need to wipe down. I need to wipe down all the mirrors and like all the surfaces. It's all like dusty and stuff. Need to get rid of those dill pickle almonds, but if you're interested, they're delicious. Yeah, just kind of wipe everything down. This is like, I honestly don't know what it is, but it needs to find a place to be somewhere. Got my two most expensive purses just thrown in the corner over there. Like, why am I like this? Yeah, just overall, she needs a clean. And then like, will we tackle this closet? Honestly, I don't know. I truly don't know. Yeah, that is the situation. I also have some laundry still in the basement that I need to bring up, and I honestly don't even know how I'm gonna fit it all in my dresser. Like, I might have to like declutter my dresser because quite frankly, nothing else fits in there. And if nothing else fits in there, that means I have too much shit. So I don't really know where to begin, truly honestly, but if you're new here, subscribe for all the quarantine entertainment. Also, like, what is my hair doing? I did it yesterday and just kind of like fluffed it up today, but it might have been a little bit too fluffed. Also the ends are so dry. I cannot wait to get a trim. I need to do like a treatment or something. Subscribe for all of the quarantine content. And yeah, this is probably just gonna be a whole bunch of like montages, like fast speed me cleaning. Because I've actually never done a clean with me video, but like all the ones I like to watch are that style. So I wanted to be part of it. Where should we start? Where should we start? I think we should start by, I was gonna say cleaning off this, but I feel like I should take advantage of the fact that the vanity is like pretty empty and wipe that down before we like put stuff on it, you know? I also have jewelry everywhere and like none of it is in my actual like jewelry chest. Like this is bare. So I have to, you know, collect it all and put it all in its rightful place in this thing. But yeah, if you're interested in this makeup look I have on right now, it will be on my Instagram probably tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow. But yeah, let's get to cleaning. cleaned off the vanity. Now I'm going to turn around and I think I'm gonna break down these lights and this table, because it's like taking up such, it's like one of those things, like, you know, you make your bed in your bedroom and it like automatically makes the room look better. I feel like if I broke down this table and put all that stuff away, the room would look a lot better. So I'm gonna do that now. Also, yes, I'm watching Carrie Dayton because, why did I say Dayton like that? Carrie Dayton, because she's a queen and we love her. And she's also going through the same exact thing as me, where most of her videos are filmed outside of the house and we can't do that right now. So I feel you, girl, I feel you. Okay, so we've got the vanity clear. I still have like, so that's like my little box. It's an old PR box. I just like cut off the lid from it, and I use it to, like, whenever I pull products to like film an IGTV or like pull products at all, I put it in there to like keep them all in the same place so I can like then use it on the table and stuff. I don't know, it's just a cardboard box and it might look like garbage, but it isn't garbage because I actually use it pretty frequently. So I think I am gonna put away the laundry now because it's just a big old basket in the middle of the room that I would like to get rid of. But it's already looking so much better in here. Literally just breaking down the lights and all the tripods and putting them away and cleaning off the vanity and putting all the makeup away. Wow, we've done a lot so far. Wow, go us. It's made a huge difference. I still have to figure out this scenario because it's honestly just like a whole bunch of stuff. Here, truly, this is my issue. I have so many like travel makeup bags and like toiletry bags and all that. I do kind of need to condense them, but I also like use a lot of them between my makeup kit, between traveling myself. I actually use a lot of them, so I don't want to get rid of too many, but there are definitely some that I can. I'm just like, when I pack, I like everything to be like in its own little bag. Like I have like a little jewelry bag, a little bag for my skincare, a little bag for, or actually a pretty big bag for all of my like wires and electronics, because obviously when I travel I have to bring like my laptop, my hard drive, I just have to bring a lot more things than like the normal human because I'm a YouTuber. So I have like my electronics bag, which is this guy right here. But like right now this is my camera case and like the magic eraser thing for my luggage. This doesn't need to be up here. This case, I can actually put my camera in it right now. That would be smart. Also, if you're wondering, I don't know, I just started vlogging with my Canon G7X again and I like it better. Don't tell me, but I like it better. I don't know, something, I think it's because of the flip up screen. Like this doesn't have a flip up screen. I have to like connect it to my phone so I can see what I look like, and it's honestly just like a whole process. So I'm gonna obviously keep it, like it's a great camera, but I just need to learn it better before I like just jump into using it. I just need to learn it better. So maybe that's like our next quarantine activity, is me figuring out this really high-tech camera that I have no idea how it works. But yeah, now I think I'm gonna put my laundry away, and then we will, I feel like the rest of the room is just like little things that need to be like, a place needs to be found for them, and then also take those shoes into the other room. But this is going quicker than I thought, and then I should vacuum for sure, and then light a candle, because a candle burning in a clean room is the best feeling in the world.
We used to days, you and me. We used to days. We used to face you and me. We used to face you and me. We used to face you and me.
Ha! Okay, you guys, I'm basically done cleaning. Also found a matching scrunchie for my outfit. But now all that's left to do is vacuum. So watch me vacuum with my handy dandy Dyson over here. Okay, well, my Dyson just died on me, so that's going to be the extent of me vacuuming today. Also, this is really overexposed. There we go. But yeah, let's take a look at my nice clean studio. Hold on, let me just like put a few little things back in its place, and then we are good to go. So let's do a little overview over here. The Dyson's just sitting there because I gotta take it downstairs now. But we've got my record player. I put the record back in the case, the only record I own, College Dropout, Kanye West. The only record I own back in its case because I would hate for it to get damaged. Also, let me just fix these cushions. But the couch, I mean, I never really pile anything on top of the love seat because that would give me anxiety, so she's good. And then I hide a few things under there. Like there's a PR package with some hair stuff in it. Oh wait, no, that's the box that I packed. So that makeup you saw me put in that purple box, I'm gonna try to donate it. It's stuff that I'm never gonna use, so I'm gonna donate it. But for now, it's under there. I'll probably forget about it. Somebody remind me in the comments to take that downstairs. And then over here, I have this little basket, so I just put all my makeup bags and then my one little panel light here. I got this little lantern thing. I want to get like candles to go in there, but it was clearance at Walmart for like $11. So that's like a little, I don't know, I kind of want to get a plant here too. What do you guys think? And then desk is nice and cleared off. These little square things back here, there's two of them. Me and Meech are going to make, what are those called? Not mood boards, vision boards, but we haven't gotten around to it, so they're just sitting there. But once I do my vision board, I'll probably either hang it right there or right here next to my desk so I can see it every day. But cleared off really nothing on here. I just kind of like wiped it down. I didn't end up organizing my drawers, but we can do that another day. Then over here, cleared off the bench with this, which is great. I use my fan. Sometimes it gets really hot in here, so I just keep it under there so that when I do put it on, it's right next to the window, so it like brings a little bit of airflow in here. It's super windy today though. So I don't need it today. Vanity's all cleared off. Under it, I have my Dyson and then that box that I use to pull products. Wiped down my mirror, and I put all my jewelry away in it. Wiped down the dresser, put all the clothes away, wiped all the perfume bottles down. This little bag over here is actually just like PR stuff that I haven't used yet. Stuff that if like somebody comes over and they want some beauty products, because I tend to do that. Whenever anybody comes over, I like give them free shit. That's like my stuff I might not use. That I wouldn't feel bad if somebody took off my hand, so that's like my free shit bag. So anytime anybody comes over, I can just be like, hey, look at that bag, anything you want. But there are some hair products in there that I am gonna use, so I gotta find a place for those hair products. I just didn't have another place for them. But other than that, I put away my purses. This closet's still a mess, but put away my purses, hung up my robes, hung up my sweater. I have to do something with this closet one day. I actually was thinking I want to get like organization bins in here to put my kit makeup, so like every time I have to pull makeup for my kit when I have a gig, it's like really nice and organized. Or just like, I don't know, I gotta figure it out, but I want to make this like my kit makeup section, and then also like backdrops and purses and stuff, but I just don't use it for clothes because it's way too tiny. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be it for me today. It took me several hours to clean this room, but I was definitely procrastinating and not like doing it all at once. Overall, it probably took me like an hour and a half to clean the room. It wasn't that bad. I do have to go in my bedroom now and hang up all the clothes that were in that laundry bin that weren't going in my dresser. I also have to organize my shoes in there. Oh my god, my shoes are just a wreck. Meech ordered me new like Container Store shoe boxes for my closet because I needed more, so that'll come soon and I'll be able to organize that. I also should go through my shoes and like sell some on Poshmark because I don't wear all of them. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments, should I do more clean with me's in like other parts of my house? Let me know. If you are new here and you watch all the way till the end, then you should probably just subscribe and become one of my best friends. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.